It's a tiny solution to a huge problem.
I can see the ones that I just released are spreading through the leaves already.
They're releasing a bug from Brazil called a thrip into a cluster of Brazilian pepper tree, using nature to fight nature in a battle to save Florida's parks and wildlands.
So I called these insects our tiny troops that are going to combat to help save America's Everglades. And so it's just great to be here and to be part of the process in deploying these insects to help combat against the invasive species, in this case Brazilian pepper, that have invaded the Everglades.
The bugs? They suck the plants dry, and resource managers are hoping they finally have a leg up, or many legs up, on the invasive Brazilian pepper invasion.
This problem is clearly one of the greatest challenges that we have as a national park system down here in Florida.
Here's why it's so bad. With no natural enemies in Florida, the Brazilian pepper has infested more than 400,000 acres statewide, including 53,000 acres inside Cypress, Biscayne, and Everglades national parks. It naturally disrupts the food chain.
Brazilian pepper in particular has taken over the landscape to the point of displacing the local native flora and fauna.
These little guys are 25 years in the making. Researchers have been working on this since 1994 for a biocontrol solution to the Brazilian pepper tree. But just because they're being released today doesn't mean that this is an overnight solution. It doesn't work that way.
Yeah, it's going to take a while. It'll be a slow progression, a slow change in the dominance exerted by this insect on our flora.
Now let me translate that. The bugs are small, the plants are big, so you got to give them some time to work their way around the state to weed out the problem.
Eat as much Brazilian pepper as they can eat.
That's right. Chow down, you guys.
Yeah.
So just remember, sometimes the best things come in very small packages. In Davie, Jessica Costello, NBC6 News.